Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a debit or credit card on Venmo. Open the website, then click Login. Now, sign in either with your email, mobile, or username, and your password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on the option that says Settings. Under Settings, more options will appear. Click on the Payment Methods option. Under Payment Methods, you will see an option for debit or credit card. Click on Debit or Credit Card. Now, enter your card information such as the card number, expiration date, security code, and zip code. Once entered, review it. If everything looks good, click on Add. That's how you add a debit or credit card on Venmo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.